rainy scent layering combination of the day. Ito si ating Bianco Latte and i-combine natin siya sa Liquid Brew ni French Avenue. Okay, so let's see kung maganda ba yung combination na to. Okay, so si Liquid Brew na muna natin ang ating unang spray. Alam niyo naman si Liquid Brew, meron tong bergamot, meron tong vanilla, cinnamon, praline, musk. You know, those are the scents na maamoy natin from Liquid Brew. Grabe, amoy na amoy yung cinnamon sa yung bergamot na itong Liquid Brew. This has been with me for a few months now. And as far as I remember, hindi ganito kalakas ang kanyang projection nung bago ko siyang bili. Grabe, ang lakas niya ngayon. As in, I think this will fill the whole room. Ang lakas ni Liquid Brew. Okay, actually bili ko siya sa loob ng box. Pero let's go ahead and spray Bianco Latte. Kapalay dito mamaya yung ating spray. Okay, so sa opening combination na ito, ang ganda. Grabe. Sin this is your perfect date night combination. Okay. Naamoy ko yung ating bergamot, yung cinnamon, yung vanilla. Napakasarap ng combination na to. Grabe. Praline ni Liquid Brew. And then yung honey naman nito ni Bianco Latte. Sin wow, this is really something that I would recommend for your special nights with your special someone, you know. And if you have a special event that you'll be going to, this is the perfect combination, especially now na medyo maulan ngayon sa Pilipinas and you know medyo cool yung ating weather. This is something that you can really try out. Okay, it doesn't have to be the Bianco Latte of HSI or Liquid Brew. Can be any of the scent profiles and DNAs of both perfumes. Okay, so yun lang na muna. Yun lang muna ang ating feedback or sharing for today in terms of this combination. If you have any other scent combinations that you would like to recommend, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to try it out if ever I have those perfumes that you have recommended. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!